Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to safely delete temp and prefetch files in Windows using a simple batch file. I'll create the batch file step by step. Temp files are temporary files created by Windows while running programs, installing applications, browsing the internet, or performing system tasks. Over time, these files accumulate and take up unnecessary space, slowing down your computer. And prefetch files also help Windows load applications faster, but they too accumulate over time. Deleting them occasionally can improve performance. The quickest way to open the temp folder is to open the Run dialog box, type %temp% and click OK. This will open the temp folder where these temporary files accumulate. Of course, you can select and delete each file individually, but we'll learn how to create a batch file that deletes them with just a click. I'll explain how to create this batch file in detail. Create a new text file and give it a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of this task. First, type @echo-off. This hides unnecessary command details, making the window look clean when you run the script later. Next, type a text file title for the batch file, such as clearing temp and prefetch directories. You can enter it in the format shown on your screen. Then enter the commands shown on your screen in order, line by line. These commands delete all files within the temp folder and then delete the temp folder itself. The mkdir command recreates an empty temp folder, thus ensuring a complete and clean reset. I will leave the batch file in the video description. Next, type the command shown on your screen, line by line. This command deletes all files from the temp folder within the Windows folder on your C drive and then deletes all the folders within it. This folder usually contains leftover installation files and service logs. Next, enter the command for prefetch folder cleanup. Type the command displayed on the screen, line by line. This command clears the prefetch folder and helps remove old cached application launch data. Windows will automatically rebuild this folder over time. Now for the closing line. Type a sentence indicating that the temporary files were successfully removed or deleted. For example, type "cleanup completed successfully." Then type pause. The pause command keeps the window open so the user can read the result. After finishing, I'll save this text file as a batch file. Click on File, then click Save As. Give the batch file a suitable name and ensure the extension is .bat. Save it to your desktop. Close the text file, then right-click on the batch file and select Run as Administrator. Windows will then immediately clean up the temp and prefetch folders. Deleting these folders is safe because Windows automatically recreates them. Upon completion, the batch file will display cleanup completed successfully. Regularly cleaning the temp and prefetch files helps Windows run more smoothly, frees up disk space, and reduces system clutter. This simple batch file makes the process quick and easy. Just one click cleans and speeds up your computer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.